Hello everybody and welcome back to a really quick video. I watched a video the other night of somebody who had some really great ideas for freezers and things, and she had in her video a really cool idea for pre-prepared lunches. I'm a busy person and I work full-time, so I try as much as possible to make my lunches. I either take leftovers, make a salad, or I'll cook up a big batch of brown rice or wild rice, and then I can just add things like tuna or chicken to it later in the week. So I try and do that as much as possible, but sometimes life gets in the way and you get busy. You might go out the night before, so I don't quite get the lunch pre-prepared. So and then suddenly I've fallen off the wagon and we're back to buying lunches. So I saw this video, and I'll try and find the video and link it down below too if you're interested in seeing hers. But it was just such a simple idea, and it gave me an idea for what I could do to just help me stay a little bit organized for when times get a little bit crazier. I'm going to take you into the kitchen and show you what I did. And basically it's really simple. It's just pre-preparing some non-toasted sandwiches so that I can grab one out of the freezer, take it to work. By the time lunchtime comes around, it's defrosted, and then I can just pop it into the sandwich press at work and you've got a toasted sandwich. I've kept it really simple for fillings this time. I've only done ham and cheese just to see how it all works, but you could get some way better ideas for ingredients and stuff, so I'm looking forward to having a bit of a play around with that. So this is the ingredients that I've got to make this. It's only 3 ingredients and some bags. So I've got the Southern Plains Harvest Grain bread, we've got some tasty cheese, some champagne leg ham, and then I bought these snap lock bags. I'm pretty sure they're alright for the freezer as well, and they're PBA free as well, which is really important, and reusable. So let's get on and make these sandwiches. And as you can see, the Glad bags are microwave safe, freezer safe, and PBA free. So now I'm going to just put them in the freezer, and I'm going to put them down flat so that they freeze nice and flat. So there you go, that was my idea and what I've done. I've had it like that for a week now. I've also done it with some bagels. So what I do is I just split the bagels and pop them individually into one of those little bags, and then on a crazy morning when I'm trying to rush out the door and I haven't got any lunch pre-prepared, then I can just grab one out of the freezer and we're good to go. So I take some cream cheese with me for the bagels, and it's a really simple, easy but tasty lunch. So like I say, I don't do this every day. It's for emergencies only, when I'm time poor and not very organized. Hopefully that doesn't happen too often, but at least I am prepared. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this style of video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to this channel and you would like to see more types of these videos. And other than that, I really look forward to seeing you all again in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.